Tanner is the man, and I don't say that just because he's here at Petitt, but this morning I had kind of a group discussion, a round table, if you will, and I just had some of the guys share some things that has really stuck out to them in the last week or so and point them out. And I heard Tanner, if I didn't hear Tanner once, I heard it 4 or 5 times, just praising, the attitude, the big smile, and just a work ethic. So we're extremely proud to have him as a new hire and have him on the team. And I've told him, I said, man, I can teach you heating and air. That is the easy part of this, but one thing I can't do is bring your guts for you. These guys and everybody on this team that have guts, and he's gonna fit in just fine because this guy has some guts about himself.